Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a file-level backup job for a physical machine using NAKIVO Backup and Replication, followed by how to recover the files you may need. Let's get started. First, we log into the web interface of NAKIVO Backup and Replication. In the dashboard, click the plus icon and click File-Level Backup for Physical Machine to open the Backup Job wizard. At the Source step, select the physical machine with the folders or volumes you want to backup. Click the machine and, on the right, click Edit to select specific volumes or folders. Note that as of version 11.1 of NAKIVO Backup and Replication, only volumes and folders can be selected for backup. File-level selection will be available in a future release for more granular control. I want to back up the folder called NAKIVO Backup. I go to Local Disk C, then Users, Admin, and then Desktop. I select the folder and click Apply. Click Next and Proceed. At the Destination step, you have to select a backup repository. This can be a local backup repository, a NAS or cloud storage like Amazon S3, Wasabi, Azure, or S3 compatible cloud storage. You can also choose a federated backup repository. To learn more, you can check the video about federated repositories in the corner. At the Schedule step, you can set to run a backup job on demand or schedule a backup job. Thus, you can run a job manually or schedule a job to run daily, weekly, or periodically. There is also chain scheduling that allows you to run a backup job after another job. You can select on which days of the week you would like to run a backup, all the days or working days without the weekend, and so on. You can apply retention settings for your backup and check how long to keep a backup on your storage. You can also create another schedule and configure the grandfather-father-son retention scheme. Moreover, you can view the whole calendar with scheduled tasks. Select the month, week, or day view to see how many backup jobs you run during the specified period. Next, at the Options step, enter a name for the job and assign a priority level from 1 to 5, with 1 being the highest. You can enable Application Aware Mode to ensure the application consistent backup is created by quiescing with guest OS processing and VM snapshots. You can also enable the change tracking feature using the proprietary method to create incremental backups to track change blocks. If no change tracking is selected, the NAKIVO solution will always create a full backup for this job. Enable network acceleration for faster backup jobs when transferring the backup data over the network. This option is especially useful if you have limited bandwidth. Network encryption is used to secure your backups when transferring the backup data over the network. The ES-256 encryption requires the NAKIVO transporters at the source and target sides. Enable backup encryption to protect the backup with a password and encrypt the data before transferring it over the network to disk and tape destination storage. To use source-side backup encryption, you should not have network acceleration enabled. In the full backup settings, you can select how to create full backups and how often. That is if your backup repository supports incremental with full backups. You can select the active full or synthetic full backup type. There are multiple options to set when creating a full backup. For example, you can create a full backup once a week or on the first Monday of the month. Configure pre- and post-job actions, such as sending email notifications upon job completion or running pre- and post-job scripts with options for waiting and error handling. Enable the email in the email settings to receive a report about backup job results. Optionally, you can run a script before running a job and after a backup job is completed to ensure that everything is handled through a script. You can limit the number of concurrent tasks for transporter load. The maximum number of concurrent tasks is 6, the default number is 3, and the minimum number is 1. You can enable the bottleneck detection option to monitor data transfer performance and log issues. Click Finish to save settings or click Finish and Run to save settings and run the job immediately. I am running the job now, so I click Run. The backup job is started. As you can see, the file-level job is completed. To recover data, select a backup job, click Recover, and select File-Level Recovery. The File-Level Recovery job wizard opens. The physical machine backup job is selected. Click Next. This starts the process of mounting files and folders from the backup. This is the folder that I backed up earlier. If I click this folder, the solution shows me a PDF file inside. I'm going to select the entire folder to recover. Click Next. Select one of the recovery type options, recover to custom location or download or forward via email. You can recover the files and send them to your email if you've previously configured email settings. Let's download the recovered file via the web browser. Once I click Recover, the NAKIVO solution shows me the running backup job in the Activities tab. You can see the recovered and downloaded files in the web browser as well. Then I can click Close. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch new uploads. You can also download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication using the link in the description and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.